Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 14 Statics. Statics means that is a collection of data. How to collect the data and how to prepare and then understand in a only by seeing. So 14.1, give 5 example of data you can collect from your day to day life. Day to day life, that is a first. So we will write here 5 that collection. That is, collection can be number of teachers, number of teachers in your school, like, and then like the second data also same thing, number of, that is members in your home. That is third part. Third example you can write here, number of bulb in your home, number of bulbs in your home. And then fourth part that will be right can be that that will be number of, you can see that anything more like number of curtains in your home. That is fifth part. We can take from another school, number of that students in your school. And then second question is that saying classify the data in question 1 above a primary or secondary. So that second question, which are the primary or which are the secondary. So that secondary will be that so that primary data that will be teachers is a, if teacher will be not in school, it means that will be not work, so that will be primary data. And then members also, that is a primary data with member that make a home. And then bulb is also, without bulb there will be no light, so that will be primary data. And that students also important for school, that is fifth. And secondary data, it means without that thing we can manage, that is a curtain. Fourth, that is a exercise 14.1. and then 14.2, that will be 14.2 question number 1. The blood group of 30 students of class 7th are recorded as follow. Blood group A, B, O, AB. Represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. So what is the frequency distribution table? That will be frequency distribution table is that you will be write that here blood group and then number of students, and then you will be draw like a box. How many groups are there? Only 4. A, B, O, A, B. And then now you will be count the how many blood groups student in A blood group? How many students of A blood group? So you will be count that is 9, and B blood group students are that is a 6, and then you will be count the O blood group. O blood group, that is 12. You know that O blood group is a donor. O positive is a donor group, and AB is a 3. And then most common means most common is the maximum. O group is maximum, that is a O. Rarest is which is 3, that is a less. So rarest is AB. Rarest is AB. And then you will be see that question number 2 you can do that very easily. See that 3 because it's given in decimal. Question number 3, that the relative humidity in percent of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follow. That construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 84, 86, 86, 88. So that we will draw the class thing that will be relative humidity. Relative humidity. Humidities, and then that will be frequency that we can write of F only. And then we will start smallest in that there is given, yes, that will be take 84 to 86, and then 86 to that will be 88, 88 to that will be 90, 90 to 92, that will be up to 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to that will be 98, 98 to 100, because now it is given up more than 100. So that now you will be count that here can be write, here will be write the total, some of that will become, and that one more line is left. So now you will see 84 to 87, not include 86 here, 86 will be include here. So 84, 85, how many time is given in that table? 84 to 87.9, 87.9, 84 to 87.9 will become in this table. So that that is only 1. Now 86 to 80, 86 to 87.9, 86 to 87.9, how many that is 1. Similarly here you will be count also, that will be 2. Here 92, 91.9, that is also 2, and then 92 to 93.9, so that is 7. Similarly that is 6, and then that is 7, that is a 4, and total is 30. Total frequency is given there 30, and then the data appear to taken in rainy season. So this is the first part. So which season is this data is given? Rainy season. Rainy season. Why rainy season? Because humidity is much more. You are looking here. Humidity is much more is given there. Third part, range. Range means range is equal to, that is a maximum. Maximum frequency is given 99.2 and then minus minimum is 84.9 and then subtraction, that will be 14.3. That is a maximum frequency. And then fourth question also you can do very easily, no problem will be there, but see that because something is missing different here. So that fourth question, the height of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeter have been found to be a follow, that is given. So we will draw, and here is difference given 160 to 165, that means difference is 5 given here. So that we will write height in centimeter, that will be in centimeter, and then that will be frequency, and then that will be started from 150 because that 150 is small at 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to, that will be 175 because no more than 170. So we will leave here. This is the total. Total must become, that will be 50 is given. So that now we will see in table 150 to 154, 150 to 154, that is a 12. Similarly 155 to 159, 160 will become here, so that is a 9. And then similarly that will be 14, that will be 10, 5, and then some of these will become, must become 50. That is a first part. And then second part is saying, what can you conclude about their height from the table? So on conclude we that we can draw from a above table is that more than 50% of students are shorter than 165. So that more than 50% of students is equal to, that is 165 centimeter. And then question number 5 also you can do, no problem will become here. Now see that question number 7. Question number 7 is just a different type of question. Question number 7, that is question number 5 and 7 both are the same type of question, or 6 or 7, so that I am doing the 7 here. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given there. Make a frequency distribution table. So we will start the writing of that one. Digits and then that is frequency. Say that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will be total. Total is given 50, so must become 50. Now, how many times 0 has come? How many times has 0 has come? Before decimal we will not take, after decimal only we will take that. Okay, so before decimal, after decimal, that is 0 are only 2 times has come, and then 1 has come 5 times, and then 2 has come again 5 times, and then 3 has come 8 times, and then 4 has come 4 times, 5 has come 5 times, 6 has come 4 times, and then 7 also 4 times, and then 8 5 times, and then 9 8 times, and these sum must become here. That is the most frequency occurring digit 3 and 4. Most frequency 3 and 4. That is 3 and that will be 9. Yes, maximum is this one. The most frequency, that is the first part. That's second part. Most frequency is equal to, that is 8 and 3 and 9. 3 and 9, because 3 and 9 has come 8 times. And then question number next, that will be 6 is also no problem there. 8, 9 question. 9th is also no problem is there, but see that 9th, that a company manufacture car battery of a particular type. The lives in year of 40 such batteries were recorded as follow. That we will include that 0 dash class interval size is 2 to 2.5. It means decimal 5 difference is there. Decimal 5 difference is there. We will conclude here that life of battery, life of batteries, that batteries in years, and then that is a frequency, that must become frequency is that, and then we'll take 2 to 2.5. Obviously that will be 2.5 to 3.0, and then 3.0 to no need to write that 0 because only that one. So 3.5 and 3.5 to 4 and 4.5 4 to 4.5. How many time is there? 5. And then 4.5 to 5. 5.0. Yes. And then we will see that total battery are there given 40. Total battery is given there 40. So now we will take from your data that 2, 2.1, 2.3, 2.2, 2.4, not 2.5. So how many times these numbers has come? Only 2 times. Now here you will be take 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, not 3. So how many times this has come? 6 times. Similarly, that will be 14 times. Then 11 times, that is. Now that 4 times, and then by that is a 3 times. This is the answer. Or you can draw that. See that if you want to draw a tally marks. If you want to draw tally marks, so how you will be draw the tally marks? So that is a 2 tally marks. You can understand 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the tally marks. Okay.